Hello everyone, my name is John Arancant and this presentation I will talk about one of the most famous artworks from the earlier civilization, the Venus of Willendorf. The Venus of Willendorf is a small limestone sculpture discovered in 1908 in Willendorf, Austria. It was created around 20,000 to 25,000 BCE during the Paleolithic period, which makes it over 25,000 years old. The sculpture is quite small, only about 11 centimeters tall. It does not have a known artist, as art during this time was created before recorded history. The figure shown as exaggerated female body with large breast and rounded belly and wide hips. The head appears to be covered with flattened hair or possible a woven headdress. The Venus of Willendorf is believed to represent fertility, motherhood, and feminine power. During the Paleolithic period, life was very difficult. People were hunters and gatherers. Survival depended greatly on women being also to conceive and give birth. Because of this, the sculptures emphasize body parts related to childbirth and nourishment. This suggests the early societies valued women as a life givers and providers of the future's generations. Some historians also believe that the figures may have been used as a good luck charm for fertility, a symbol of beauty at the time, or even a representation of a goddess connected to nature and life. In its cultural context, the Venus of Willendorf helps us understand how early humans viewed beauty, womanhood, and survival. It also shows that even before writing language, humans were already capable of expressing ideas, beliefs, and emotions through art. In summary, the Venus of Willendorf is a powerful symbol of fertility and survival from the Paleolithic period. Its exaggerated forms reflect values and needs of early human societies, making it an important cultural artwork in world history. Thank you for listening.